Hey everybody, Tomás here, and I'm with my daughter Ana Lucia, and today we thought it'd be good for something hearty, and we're actually going to make one of my favorite dishes in the world.
Mac and cheese.
That's right, we're going to make mac and cheese, but the trick here is we're going to be making Beecher's mac and cheese. The very first season of Washington Grown, one of my very first segments was actually doing a man on the street for Beecher's cheese. And ever since then, it became one of my favorites. It's what we serve at the holidays, and we're gonna make it today for all of you right now. We're using Beecher's cheeses, macaroni, flour, milk, and butter, Tim's barbecue chips, and some spices.
First we had Beecher's Flagship cheddar and Just Jack. Then we had butter and some whole milk.
Ooh.
Next is a bit of flour, some garlic powder,
Just a little bit.
a pinch of chili powder, and a touch of salt.
There we go.
And then we head to the grill.
Ooh, my goodness.
That looks good.
Look at that. Oh man. What do you like about it so much?
I like that it's like different from like box mac and cheese. Like it's not like the powdered cheese, it's like actually really good cheese.
And for a fun topping, we add Tim's honey barbecue chips.
That was good.
That cheese is so good.
It's so creamy.
Well, like you said, it's not the powdery cheese. This is the real stuff.
Yeah.
We're gonna eat this up and then we're gonna get on to the next adventure. You ready? Mm-hmm. All right, here we go. We'll see you guys later. To learn how to make this recipe and many others, head on over to wagrown.com.